Hello everybody, Mrs. Leidenbach here, and it is Thursday, April 7th. Today you guys are going to be practicing drawing using the grid method. And excuse my eyes, I'm going to keep looking over to my screen here for your guys' instructions. What you guys are going to do first, you're going to watch the how to grid video. Okay, so it's a quick little video showing you how to basically, once you have a grid, how you're going to transfer that image to the inside of the grid squares that you're given. Okay, so how to draw it like square by square. Afterwards, you're going to click on a Google Doc that I have created, and it has several different examples of grid exercises that you guys can choose from. So let me get that pulled up real quick here. All right, so I think you guys can see my screen now, and I gave you a couple choices like the taco. I think I have the elephant, a dragon, but you can see each of these images has a grid on top of it, okay, and then the grid below has the exact same amount of squares in the exact same position, like same size and everything. So what you do is you basically follow like square by square to fill in the square below. Okay, so what you're going to do once you choose an image, say you're going to do the pig. Okay, you're going to count the amount of squares, and I think all of these are identical. These are all, I believe, 6 across by 4 down. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your sketchbook, and give me just a minute to adjust here. I think that will work. Okay, and you're going to get a ruler, all right, and you're going to measure out 6 inches across. Oh, I think you guys, you can still see my ruler here. Okay, 6 inches across. All right, then you're going to go 4 inches down. I'll try to make it as straight and parallel, perpendicular as you can. 4 inches down, and then 6 across again. Okay, now from here, oopsies. What you guys are going to do is you have like the outline of your square done. And there we go. I think you guys can see it all now. Okay, what you're going to do now is you're going to make the marks. So now we have like the outline of our grid done. We just need to fill in the actual grids. So to do that, what you're going to do is you are going to place a mark every inch. So if you have your ruler laying out, okay, you are going to line up the edge of your ruler on the 0 to the edge of the marks that you've made for the outside like of the box, okay? And you're gonna make a mark at every inch, so 1 inch, 2 inch, 3, 4, 5, okay? And then you're gonna shift your ruler up and do the same thing across from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Now from here you have 5 like inch marks at every space on the top and bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to line up your ruler with that, okay, and you're going to connect them now. All right, try to make sure that your ruler does not shift. I got my fancy ruler today. This is the only one I have here at home. I guess I could have used a tape measure, but they're so bulky. All right, so now we have our 6 spaces across. Now we got to do them sideways. So you're going to do the same thing here. This side is only 4 inches, so you're going to make a mark at every inch again at 1, 2, and 3. On this side at 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're going to use your ruler again. Line those 2 dots up. Make sure they're touching both. Hold it. Make that mark. Okay, line it up, hold it, make the mark, and just like so. Okay, so now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 spaces down. So this grid is going to match exactly now. Hello. The grid that is right below your picture. Okay, so what you're essentially going to do then, and it's going to be hard for me to kind of take my phone back and forth here, but if you follow along with the demo video that I have given you, okay, what you're going to do is basically start at this top left square, okay, and you're just going to kind of go through it and do it box by box, like draw what is ever in that box on the corresponding box on your paper, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Have fun.